Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all well. Welcome to Web Design Tips and Tricks. Today I am going to show you how to add any Google font in your HTML and CSS file. So without any delay, let's start. There are two ways to add Google font in your web design template. At first, open your project. Here I have created two files for this tutorial. Now open your project in a text editor. Now create a clean HTML5 structure. I am giving a title for this HTML file. For demo purpose, create a heading tag. I am creating a h1 tag with demo text. Now open a browser and go to Google search. Inside search bar type Google Fonts. Now click on the first link. Here you can see different style fonts are in this site. You can use any of them. You can also search here for your desired font. I am searching for a font called Poppins. After you find the font, just click on the font. You can see all the style of this font. Now you have to select the desired styles you want by clicking on the plus icons. After selecting your selection from the first option, Google automatically generated a link tag for this font with your selected styles. Now copy all the selected codes and paste it under the title tag. Now under this link tag, link up the CSS file. Now go to the CSS file and target body tag. At first open the HTML file in the browser and see default font is showing. Now come back to the Google font site and copy the CSS code and paste the CSS code here. Now save the CSS file and come back to the browser. Refresh it and see our font is showing as heading text. Now I will show you the second method. Come back to the Google font site and you can see you can import the font link as CSS code. Now select all the CSS code and copy it. Now come back to the CSS file and paste the CSS code at top of the CSS file. Now come back to the HTML file and delete all the link text for the Google font we pasted earlier. Now save and refresh it in the browser and see no difference. So this is how we can add Google font in our web design template. So thanks for watching. If you learned something from our tutorial, then hit the like button, comment down below your opinion and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Stay happy, stay cool.